Hello class 3, how are you? This is your English language class children. Take out your book, English language book, that is Focus on Grammar part 3. You all know this is the book that we are following this year, isn't it? And today we will start with a new chapter. Okay, so all of you open your book at page number 22. Open your book at page number 22. We will do this page and the chapter is chapter 7, adjectives. Okay, I hope that you have heard this term earlier also in the previous classes. So what is an adjective? So the name of the chapter is adjective. Take out your book, take a pencil in your hand, okay, and open your book at page number 22. Clear? So what is the name of the chapter? Adjectives. A D J E C T I V E S. Adjectives. Okay. So what is an adjective? Let me tell you, before we start with the exercise, let me take you what is an adjective. Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns in a sentence. Now, see, I will give you few examples from where it will be clearer to you, more clear to you what is an adjective. So, what I said, adjectives are describing words. Suppose they describe a noun. See, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Here in this sentence, the word good describes the noun boy. Boy is a noun, isn't it? Now, how is the boy, how is Ram describing the quality of Ram here? Isn't it? He is a good boy. So, good is an adjective. Okay. So, as I have told you earlier, the description of an adjective describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay. Ram is an intelligent boy. Here I am talking about the boy Ram, which is a noun, isn't it? So, describing the noun, Ram is an intelligent boy. So, when I say intelligent, so intelligent is a describing word. So, intelligent is adjective here. Okay. When I say give me the black pen, now I am describing the pen with the word black. I need a black pen. Okay. So, this black is explaining saying something about, describing about the pen. How the pen is black in color. So, here black will be the adjective. She is a fat boy. He is a fat boy. So, here fat is describing the boy. So, fat is adjective. Is it clear to you what is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. Okay, they qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, fine. So, I hope all of you are carrying a pencil in your hand, and now we will do the exercise. So, that is page number 22. Let's do. Here what we are expected to do is read the story of Ali Baba, circle the adjectives in the story in red. So, you have to take color pencils. One red and one green. Okay. Circle the nouns as they refer to in green as shown. One is shown for you. See, you have to circle the adjective with red color and the noun that it is qualifying with green color. So, take two pencils. One green color pencil and another one red. Clear? This way we will do the exercise. It is in the form of a story. Okay. Now let me read the story for you. All of you also read out the story with me. say, Ali Baba was a poor man. He was a woodcutter. He went to a forest and cut wood every day. Now here we are describing about Ali Baba. Ali Baba was a poor man. How is Ali Baba? Poor. Describing Ali Baba. So here poor will be the adjective. It is describing man. Isn't it? Ali Baba was a poor man. So you will circle adjective with red color pencil and the noun that it is qualifying with blue or green. Okay. Next one. Then he went to a forest and cut wood every day. Now Ali Baba had an elder brother named Qasim. Qasim was a rich man. Here Qasim was a rich man. Now the word rich is describing the man Qasim. So again you will circle rich with red pen, red color pencil, and man as it is qualifying man, it red with man with green pencil, green color pencil. Clear? Now but he did not help Ali Baba. Next line, next paragraph. One day Ali Baba saw a large cave in the forest. What he has seen? A large cave. Here the word large, you circle large with red color pencil because it is a describing word and it is describing cave. How was the cave? It was a large cave. Okay, so you will circle and circle cave with green color. Clear? Next, some robbers came to the cave. They said some magic words in front of the cave. So which type of word? Magic words. Words are noun. Okay, words is noun and it is describing the word magic. The word that is describing word is magic. So magic is an adjective here. You will circle and circle magic with red color pencil and words with green color pencil. Is it clear? Okay. Then the next line, a huge rock that was in front of the cave moved aside and the robbers went in. Here a huge rock. How was the rock? Huge. Here the word huge is describing rock. Okay, so you will encircle huge with red color pencil because huge is an adjective here and noun is rock. Then next paragraph. When the robbers went away, Ali Baba said those magic words. Again magic words. So magic will be adjective. You will encircle magic with red color pencil and words with green color pencil. And went inside the cave. He found a lot of gold and silver coins. Gold and silver coins. Now gold and silver both are describing coins. So you will encircle gold and silver with red color pencil and coins with green color pencil. Clear? Ali Baba took some gold coins and became a rich man. Now Ali Baba, he took some gold coins. Again gold is a describing word here. Here it is used as a describing word because it is describing coins. What kind of coin? Gold coin. Again you will encircle gold with red color pencil and coin with green color pencil. And became a rich man. Now here the word rich is describing the man. The man was rich. So again rich is used as an adjective. So you will encircle rich with red color pencil and man with green color pencil. Clear? Is it clear to you? So now can you define the term? What is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. They describe or qualifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Clear? So go through this. In the next class we will do the next exercise. Okay, for this class we are winding up here. Go through this and send it for correction. Do it properly. See the video twice or thrice. Okay, so that the things will be clearer to you. Okay, read with comprehension. Okay children, thank you.